Today, we're diving into 8 incredible survival tools that can make a world of difference when you're out in the wild. They ensure strength, comfort, convenience, and of course protection against all. So, let's start now. First up, we have the One Tigris Tentsformer, the ultimate survival raincoat with a twist. This 1,500mm waterproof raincoat is a game changer, but it doesn't stop there. With an alpenstock, it transforms into a tent-like shelter, creating a fortress against the elements. And here's the kicker: you can get it in pairs to set up an actual tent for those cold, chilly nights. The poncho sleeves have patch panels for shoulder emblems and serve as airflow windows when set up in shelter mode, for better ventilation. While the highly durable 5D nylon and Super PU coating promise for next level of protection yet still breathable. Next in line is the RiskLink 400, a small but incredibly resilient gadget that can be your essential survival tool. Engineered and tested to withstand harsh conditions, this personal locator beacon is your lifeline in the wild. No subscription is required. It's designed to enhance your safety whether you're on land, at sea, or in the air. With GPS, Galileo GNSS, and built-in buoyancy, RiskLink provides pinpoint location information. Trust in its satellite precision and military durability to put rescue in the palm of your hands. After all, it's a true lifesaver. Now, let's talk about the MegaFit holster, the ultimate solution for carrying your sidearm. Getting a compact, universal holster can be really tough, but not in this case. This universal holster is compatible with a wide range of pistols, offering flexibility and reliability. MegaFit's main USP is that it can accommodate all kinds of pistols and handguns. As a result, it is compatible with hundreds of popular full-size and compact semi-automatic pistols around the world. It's got an index finger release for quick access and a mechanical shrapnel lock for safety. Perfect for tactical belt use or concealed carry, it's a true all-rounder. Now let's introduce the Somewhere Global Satellite, a hotspot that uses Iridium's satellite network for reliable communication. With cross-platform two-way messaging and pinpoint location tracking, it's a game changer for safety and situational awareness. This rugged device is built to withstand tough conditions, sending and receiving over 1,000 messages per charge. Plus, it's water-resistant and even floats. This empowers you or your team to work effectively and communicate efficiently in the most remote environments, ensuring safety and easily overseeing operations. Lastly, the Somewhere mobile app provides an advanced array of features to ensure you can communicate, track, and protect your personnel. In a survival scenario, staying hydrated is essential for maintaining strength and clarity of mind. The Purisu water filter ensures just that: access to clean and safe drinking water, no matter where your survival journey takes you. If the question is how, Purisu boasts an impressive 99.9% bacteria removal rate, including harmful pathogens like E. coli, Salmonella, and Shigella. Moreover, the water filter is constructed with a double-layered grid outer shell, ensuring maximum durability even in the harshest of survival conditions. And the multi-layer sieves protect the main filter, extending its lifespan that is equivalent to 500 half-liter plastic water bottles. This not only saves you money but also reduces your environmental footprint. As survival gets hard, your hands are your lifeline, and the 511 High Abrasion 2.0 glove becomes the first line of defense against injuries. These gloves are designed to shield your hands from scrapes, scuffs, and injuries, making them an indispensable piece of survival gear in the wilderness. The strengths come from tough nylon rib span, providing superior durability. They can withstand the harshest conditions, ensuring your hands are protected when you need them most. Despite their ruggedness, these gloves offer breathable four-way stretch for comfort during extended wear. And the abrasion-resistant synthetic suede palms of these gloves are touchscreen compatible, allowing you to use devices without removing them, so users won't have to compromise between protection and comfort. Now we have the Eclipse Belt, a revolutionary battle belt designed for quick response situations. The belt is equipped with modular buckle mole pouches and malice clips, which allow users to carry all essentials easily. The belt comes in 4 sizes, from small to XX large, which makes it suitable for any person who wants to be prepared for a battlefield. The belt's design is also impressive. It's hard to tell if it's a regular belt or a full-fledged military belt with deadly add-ons. The 5.11 Arid boot is the ultimate choice for those who demand the best in tactical footwear, that is quite versatile for survival scenarios or demanding outdoor adventures. These boots are constructed with a durable suede upper and high abrasion nylon, ensuring they can withstand even the toughest environments. Lastly, the innovative ATLAS, all-terrain load assistance system, technology is a game-changer. It's a support plate designed to work with your work weight and enhance your performance. It provides unparalleled support during long hikes and demanding tasks. There you have it, our top survival gear and gadgets that can save you over and over again. Which one caught your eye the most? Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe to your channel to support us for more videos.